Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have decided that if this video does not go well, if I don't like the footage from this video, I'm done. I'm giving up on YouTube. This is the fourth video that I have filmed in a week. Two of them, I was very unhappy with the footage. One, I'm still kind of on, but I was extremely irritated while I was filming, and I feel like that kind of came across. And the thing is, I was doing really awesome. I was posting 2 videos a week, and that's really what I want. But then this past week happened. 1,000,001 things went wrong, and like I said, I wasn't happy with most of the footage from the videos that I filmed, and I would 100% rather miss a week of uploading and upload nothing than to upload something that I don't feel good about. Because I want to give you guys quality content and things that you guys enjoy watching. And I know that if I struggle watching it, that there's no way you guys are going to want to watch it. Does that make sense? So I'm sorry I missed. Hopefully this one will go up. I'm actually really happy with the look. That's a long ramble. I wanted to film today's look using the Huda Beauty palette. It's beautiful. This is what I spent my Christmas money on. I wanted it and it's beautiful and no regrets. I know it had some mixed reviews online, but I've loved every look that I've done from it. I don't have to work too hard. There's some shades, you know, that work better with your finger or glitter glue or Fix Plus, but if you know how to manipulate the colors, then it's fine. It works well, and I think it's definitely worth the buy if you're thinking about it or on the fence about it. On the lip, I did use the Jouer Skinny Dip Lip Topper. This came out last summer. I think it was supposed to be limited edition. I'm pretty sure that you can still get it on their website. If you can't get this, I'm sorry. I do try really hard not to use limited edition items once they're past the point of being able to be purchased. Enough rambling. Let's get on to the tutorial. The reason you're all here. Bye guys. Okay, so starting off, I'm priming my eyes using MAC's 24-Hour Eye Base. Go ahead and tape off our eyes. So instead of setting my primer, I'm going to put some Tarte Shape Tape. This is the shade Fair Beige. And you can just prime with this. However, I like a little extra insurance. And it's okay if that's a little sloppy around here because I conceal there anyway. That looks like a hot mess. First, I'm going in with the shade Eden on a MAC 217. Guys, it's clean. This is going to be our transition shade. Next, I'm going in with the shade Amber on a little more tapered brush. This is a MAC 222. I'm running that through the crease as well. Not quite as far over, stopping about where my brow ends. Next, I'm going in with the shade Oud on a MAC 221. Yes, I did look up how to pronounce this because I didn't want to sound like an idiot on camera. And I'm going right on top of that amber shade. And on this one, I'm stopping about a brush width away from the end of my brow. So there's the end of my brow. I'm stopping right there-ish. And make sure you're holding your brush back here. You'll get a much better blend. Once I have those 3 shades on, I'm going back in with that original 217. I don't have anything additional on the brush, but I'm going over that entire area just so there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking the shade Angelic on a Sigma E56 brush. Next, I'm taking the shade Cashmere, and I'm still using that same Sigma E56. So I'm going to spritz my brush with Fix Plus. There we go. I want that inner corner to pop a little bit more, so I'm going in with the shade Nefertiti. And you can absolutely use Desert Sand from the palette to highlight your brow bone. I'm going to pull in Block Type by MAC. I'm using MAC's Liquid last. I want to play with a little bit of negative space underneath that wing today, so I'm going in with that same Shape Tape that I put underneath our shadows and a small tiny E46 brush from Sigma. Now that the eyes are finished, I'm going to go do my foundation and brows, and I'll be back and we will finish with lashes and the rest of the face. So now that I have foundation and brows on, I went ahead and did mascara as well. I want to add a little bit to that lower lash line. So I'm going back into the shade Amber with a Luxie 221 brush. I'm going to put that under the lashes starting at the inside corner. I'm actually not going to smoke that down too far. Next, I'll use that same brush in the shade Oud. And when I get to the corner of the eye, continue that out. Just kind of parallel with the lashes. This is the Kiss Faux Mink in the style Boudoir. For blush, I'm going to try Benefit's Hervana like this. A lot of times I'll use it to buff down if I got a little heavy-handed on another blush. I'll use this to buff it down. But I want a very like minimalistic cheek. You know, I'm still going to use 12 products, but minimalistic. I'm going to use this Too Faced Peach Leopard. For contour, I'm using MAC's Sculpting Powder in the shade Shadester. For highlight, I'm going to use this one by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the shade 020 Champagne Campaign. And I like this one because it's a little more subtle. I'm blending that entire cheek area out using my MAC 187. I'm going to use this MAC Lip Tensity lip liner in the shade Fresh Clay. To go on top, I'm going to use this Jouer lip topper in the shade Skinny Dip. I think that's a perfect combination to go with his eye. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm going to go finish getting ready, and then I'll come back and film my intro, outro, all that jazz. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know in the comments below what videos you want to see. If there's any specific palettes you want to see a look from, let me know. Did I say it already? Subscribe. I'll say it again. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Please. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Listen, I'm just trying to make myself feel better about it. That's all. Water. Because I don't think 12 coffees a day is good for my health. Actually, when I leave, I'm gonna go get a coffee.